Hello, this is Amber. Thanks for joining our live stream. Today we're going to show you our factory and also our machine over there, the warning system, lightning early warning system. Hi everybody, if you can hear me, please just give me comments. Hi friends, let's have a visit of our factory. So this is the gate. Take you around of our factory. So this is the office and also production room and also some parking room, experiment center. Okay, hi friends, please just eyes over there. Do you see? Somebody may ask me, why do we need this warning system if we have the lightning rod and also we did the grounding and bonding very well? Why do we need this lightning warning system at the same time? And we also have the weather forecast. Why do we need it? Well, I think the truth will tell you why. Last year in Cuba, let me check. Let me see here. Let you see here. I'm going to show you here. This is the Cuban oil depot. The lightning has attacked the oil depot and then caught fire. Then 17 people missing and dozens of hurt after the lightning. And also a lot of the properties have been damaged. So you would say oil depot, they must need very good grounding and bounding under the earth. And they also did a very good lightning rod at the upper part, right? But they still got caught, got attacked by the lightning and caused fire and caused a lot of the properties damaged. So that's the reason why do we need this lightning warning system, because this is the extra protections and this is the, how do I say, terminal protections to the lightning to prevent the oil depot from the lightning attack. So I didn't say the grounding and bounding is not important. What I want to say is lightning warning system is so much important than you imagine. So if you just give them an interview, if you ask the people in the Cuban oil depot, do they think the lightning warning system is important? I'm 100% sure that they were going to tell you this is important. This is so much important than they ever imagined. Okay, the next picture is about this. Here in the scenery center, when you climb the mountain, you still have the chance, have the risk to be attacked by the lightning, right? But if you have the lightning warning system to tell you you cannot climb the mountain within 6 hours or after 6 hours, then it will be so much safer than you could ever done, right? So this is the helicopter center. The helicopter got caught by the lightning. So if they have the lightning warning system, the helicopter just will go ahead and find a place to hide, right? They will just be here and have any risk to be caught by the lightning. And this is the shipping harbor. So this all contains the hazardous material. So if at this time, if there's a lightning warning system, tell them to stop, because a few hours there's gonna have the lightning. Well, I'm sure they will stop because they're full of the hazardous material. Okay, so that's all. So I'm sure you must have a very clear thoughts and a clear idea about why do we need this lightning warning system, right? Because a few days ago, clients they asked me about the question, why do we need this? So I think today we've already give you the answer. Okay, so let me introduce you this lightning warning system. Let me show you a picture before I tell you that. Have you ever seen this one? Have you ever seen this one in your country? It's a how do I say? It's a field grinding sensor. So its theory is here, this motor inside of this field grinding sensor, it keeps spinning. So what makes this one and this one different is the upper part of this one. This one is called MEMS. That's the tech we are using right now. We're not using this kind of the field sensor because the field grinding sensor, they will have the motor keep spinning, so it will get easily broken, and it needs somebody to maintain it from daily or monthly. So this one is a MEMS sensor, so you don't need to use a lot of labor to just maintain it, and also it has less power consumption. So, and another way, let me tell you. This one uses the MEMS sensor, so which means its chips is much better than the other mechanical motor. So it will like people's human brain or people's ears or people's eyes. It will just touch and feel the electricity on the sky, and then just give all the signals to the chips, to the center chips, and the chips will give us the signal, and then just show all the things on the screen or on the software, or send us the signals through the SMS or through the emails or through anything that you would know. Okay, so let me tell you about this machine material. So please take a guess. How long have we been put this machine over there? How long? If you know it, you can just type the words on the screen. Do you see the material over there? Do you know how long have we put the machine over there? Okay, 1 year, almost 1 year. It's still fresh and new, to see? Still fresh and new. So on the surface is some dust. It's okay, it doesn't matter. So it's still fresh and new. You can, let me feel it for you. Smooth and good. Because we did the anti-corrosion and anti-water and anti-dust. And also the material is explosion proof. So you don't need to worry if the machine stay out for a long time, if it's gonna broke. No, it's not gonna. Yeah, we did a very good processing to the material. Hi friends, can you tell me? Yes, thank you, David. Thank you. You can hear me? Okay, thank you, David. David, do you hi? If you have any questions, you can ask us on the comments. Then we have a lot of sales, and we have engineer can answer your questions. Okay, let me continue. So earlier I just introduced you this MEMS sensor, right? It's like human's brain can feel the electricity. So it's so much better than the field grinding sensor. And let me just go down part. So inside of this machine, it has a battery. So this solar panel will charge it for the battery. Make sure this machine can work for a few days if the power is cut off. And another group is this cable power. This cable wire just connects with our city power. So this is, we normally will suggest you to use this power rather than the solar power, because the solar power can charge it, can make sure it will continue to work when the power is off. But the first choice should be the cable power. Okay, so another thing I'm gonna introduce you is this one. This one is called the weather forecaster. It's the micro weather forecaster. So if the weather forecast center will tell you today's temperature and the wind speed and also some other factors of the weather, but this one can tell you more precise data, just around the areas, just areas around you, can tell you more precise temperature and also the wind direction or wind speed. Okay, so this all device make it more suitable for oil depots or airlines or helicopter center or scenery center and maybe college, because there are more expensive devices in college now in these days, right? And some other clients already asked us, well, so far till now, have you ever had any clients already used your machine? Yes, we have lots. So let me tell you 2 clients of ours. Now, right now they've already had our machine to warm them every day. So this one is the first one is the China National Offshore Oil Corporation. They've already had our machine. And another one is the Sinopec. The Yangtze Oil Petrochemical Corporation. So they already installed our machine at the top floor. These are some pictures we shoot when they install this machine for them. The machine works good until now. Have already been several months or almost 1 year. This is the picture from the oil depot of our country's oil corporation. Okay. So let's go inside and check how the software works, because I told you the MEMS sensor will give all the signals to the chips. Then the chips will proceed all the signals, and then just give the signals to the software. And the software will give you the warnings and alert you and things. Okay, let's just go inside and check the software. This is our company. Okay, right now. Can you see the screen? Is it clear enough? After we show you the machine, then the second one is about the software. So how do you go to this website? How do you go to this page? First, you can just write down the web page, the web address over there. Also, the second way, you can just download the app and then go into this page. Okay, so here you can get an ID, get a password. Then you can just check your own machine's conditions and the warnings. Okay, let me show you own machines. We have 2 ID. Now I'm show you 1 ID, which is within China's area. Just get the code. Okay, can you see all the machines over there? So there are about 5 machines on the screen. The last one is here over there. This is the snow mountain. It's a high mountain has been installed. Okay, the other 4 is very near from our company. Okay, so these machines, the other 4 machines, this one is for the airlines center, and this one is for the surroundings of a company, and this one is for college, and this one is another one within our company. So the green circle means it's working, but there's no lightning right now. And please see this one. Can you check this one? This one means it's working normally right now. It doesn't have any lightning, because once there's lightning happen, the circle, the green circle, will change into yellow or orange, or the worst, red circles. So right now it's fine. So do you want to see if the lightning is happening? So what happens to this page? Do you want to see? We can change the alarm rule and let you have a visit to the page. Okay, so let me change the alarm rule for you. Here, in this place, business over there. Here, alarm rule. Click it, and then you go to this page. You can edit. There are 3 levels of the alarming. You can check over there. It's electricity. Electricity is 2 and 4 and 6. So may I know what normally the rule will be in your country? Is it the same in your country to us? Do you also have these 3 levels? So in some other country or some other cities, maybe the electricity will be higher than we said, because inside of our city, we don't have a lot of the lightnings happen. So this value is kind of like lower than all the other cities. Okay, you can change this. Now, if the yellow alarm means the level 1, if its electricity is 2, now actually the outside weather is fine. It's gloomy, but it doesn't gonna have any raining or lightning. So let me check alarm rule. Level 3, let me set it point. Okay, let's set this value. It will alarm right now. Hey, do you see this? So the yellow means level 1, the red means level 3. I've already set those 2 alarms rule right now, so you can check. Every time I set the alarm rule, it will just keep alarming. So which means the machine is working normally right now. Just see, if the level 3 triggered, then this page will turn into this shape. Will turn it into this condition. Just see. Actually, I earlier like 1 minute or 2 minutes ago, the circle is green, right? But right now, after I change the alarm rule, the red and also the yellow shows up. So very magic, right? Okay, so actually this is not threatening because I just changed the alarm rule. So if you think it's very annoying because you don't think it's a threat, then you can just clear it by yourself. Clear it. I don't think it's okay, now it's done. So sometimes when it's not done, you can just click this clear alarm by yourself if you don't think the lightning is a threat. Okay, so this is just the software shows up. And also you can book the SMS message to tell you now it is having a lightning. Or you can just receive all the messages through the emails. And also let me show you another ID in Malaysia. because here in our city doesn't have a lot of lightning. But in Malaysia, there are like every month it has 20 days. It's not normal. Okay, let me show you. Right now, it's good. Right now, the weather is good in Malaysia. Let me show you the historical data. Here this morning, it's about 7 o'clock. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. The level 3 keep alarming. And the day yesterday, level 3 keep alarming. And the day before yesterday, level 3 alarmed. And also, those few days before today keeps alarming. So, and you can check the value is very high. It's more than 6. It's about 7.8. You see over there. So, and we checked with the colleagues in Malaysia. It did have lightning and have the raining in Malaysia. Okay, that's all about our software. Do you have any questions? Please leave your comments. And about 5 minutes later, I will show you how the audible works. How the audible alarm all works. Because this is just some software, just some pages to show you, oh, it's raining and it's gonna have lightning, but it's not enough, right? Sometimes you do need the audible system to tell you it is having the lightning, because you may do not have the guard to just detect and monitor the screen in 24 hours. You may do not have any assistant. Then that's the time you're gonna use the audible system. Okay, wait for 5 minutes. I'm gonna tell my engineer to set the data, and then let's check how the audible system works. So Anna, you can tell our engineer. Hi, this is our office. This is just one of our office. Hi Anna, please tell our engineer, Jay, to set the alarm rule. Then I can show you how the audible system works. Hi friends, this is our factory. This is the warehouse, and also this is the packing room. These are some wooden boxes we will use to just put our goods. This is the packing room. A lot of pallets you may already found. Okay, it's a long way to go to our other end of our company. Our company is big. We have more than 20,000 square meters, and we have more than 150 staff within our company. And our company already founded for over 20 years. So trust us, we're professional. Okay, so those several machines are just the experiment machines. Right now, I've already told my engineer to set this one alarm. So let's see how the audible system works. Hi Anna, you can tell the engineer to start. Okay, have you seen it? So this one is just the level 1 alarming. So if the level 3 alarmed, it was just more urgent than this one. Hi Anna, can you tell the engineer to show us the level 3 alarm? So we want to see how the level 3 alarms and sound like. Hi friends. Actually, the alarming time you can set. Normally, within our company, we set the experiment machine to alarm about 1 minute. But you can set your own time if you want it to alarm longer. So you can set the time for 10 minutes or 15 minutes as you like. Normally, I would say you can set the alarm. You can set it alarming for over 10 minutes, right? Because you may never find it alarmed when it's only 1 minute. So this is just an experiment, so it doesn't matter. Okay friends, please don't leave right now. Our engineer is showing us the level 3 alarm. So let's see if level 3 alarmed, if the sound is more urgent. Okay, please wait for a minute. Hi friends, these machines are only the experiment machines. We have a lot in our warehouse. So if you want to take one sample, it's okay. We will give you the sample in a very short lead time. Like within 15 days, we will give you a fresh new sample and ship to your country. And another question, please, friends. Do you have the very strict laws to those lightning warning system? What kind of certificates do you need? Because our machine, it totally comply with the IEC 62793. So I don't know if it's the same in your country. Okay, so now, you see, level 3 alarm. It has a different sound. It has a different sound with the level 1, right? And this is just the audio system in the machine. If you have other needs, if you think the alarm is not strong enough, you can just connect with your own factories or your own company's audio system and tell everybody, well, there's gonna have the lightning after 10 or 30 minutes. So everybody can take the precautions. And to be clear, I want to tell you, our machine can tell you the lightning 10 to 30 minutes before the lightning is gonna come. 10 to 30 minutes before. So you have enough time to just leave the place or just to go inside of the company or go inside of the house. And our alarm range is about 15 to 30 kilometers range. Normally we already detected, normally it will be more than 25 kilometers normally. So it's very big range, and it's enough to cover all the companies and also all the oil depots and also the scenery. It's already enough. So if it doesn't enough, you can buy 2, right? 2 is enough. Okay, friends. Do you have any questions? Please leave your comments at below. And this machine, you might see it's very high, right? It's about 2 meters high, and so you might think it's very heavy, right? Actually, it doesn't. It's not heavy at all because its weight is about 100 kilograms. So which means 2 men's strength can be carried them to the top floor. 2 men's strength is So it's gonna have a very easy installation. Okay, so and another client already asked me one question is, does this one need another lightning rod to help it to prevent from the lightning attack? So his question is about what do we do to protect this machine from the lightning harmness? So it's just a machine. So meanwhile, it can give us warnings. So what precautions do we do to protect this machine? Okay, so let me tell you, the inside we have surge protections for this machine. So if the lightning is happening, so you don't have to worry, because the surge protection will help this machine to just to get through this lightning very well. And another one is the material. It's explosion proof, so it will just works fine even it's raining and have lightning. And we also will have a concrete base at the down part. So inside the concrete base, you can do the grounding and bonding for this machine. And meanwhile, can fix the machine on the concrete very well. So that's kind of 3 protections we did for this machine. So if it doesn't have any lightning rod, it's okay. It's also okay. But you can also ask us to have one lightning rod for you. It's okay. We can just produce a lightning rod for you because we are factory. Just trust us. We can do a lightning rod by the site.
3 minutes left.
Huh? Hi. Zoom up close after 3 minutes. Okay, hi friends. We're not having enough time to left. Do you have any questions right now? Okay, so I told you we are factory, right? We can produce the lightning protection machines, and not just this. We can also produce the grounding and bonding material. Let me show you around of this room. This just some experiment center for the exothermic welding powder. Hi friends, if you have needs, you can make appointment with us. We can set a webinar, means a meeting for you. Okay, so this are some copper clad steel and some clamps. Okay, I'm now showing you the grounding and bonding material right now. We can also produce this lugs and this clamps and this copper clad steel, and also some exothermic welding powder. So this joint is made by the exothermic welding powder. Okay, so we also sell the mold for the real exothermic welding and some copper clad rod, lightning rod, and also some ALG rod. And we also have this high-tech. We also have this electric exothermic welding powder and the electric starter. This one is our E+ electric exothermic welding powder. And these are some traditional exothermic welding powder. And you can buy it in our company because we have the UL, IEE, and IEC certificate. So which means you can make our products to just join any project in your country. Of course, after it be pre-qualified in your country, right? So do you have any pre-qualification needs in your country before we supply the goods for you? You do, right? Because in Middle East, especially in Saudi Arabia, we have to do the precautions before we can supply them the goods in Middle East country and also in Egypt too. Hi friends, if you are using the first Aeroco's brand Catwell, or using some Kingsmill ground and bonding material, you can maybe you can try our product, maybe, right, if you like. Okay, hi friends, you can also make appointment with us. We can show you the experiment for the copper clad steel. We can show you the experiment to bend it, or to show you the experiment of the currency through this copper clad steel. Also, these are all the machines we can do the experiment. Just contact with our sales. We can make appointments next time. And these are some welding joints we did before. And if you cut in the middle of it, you can see the cross joint. It doesn't have any air bubble. So next time maybe I can do the experiment for you if you want. Hi, please contact with our sales. These are some mold we did before. And this is another experiment center for our products. Okay, that's enough. Hi friends, do you have any questions? We're going to leave the live stream after several minutes. So if you have questions, please be hurry up. Thank you so much. And you can also add our WhatsApp or our emails if you like. Hi Anna, can you show our emails or WhatsApp or how to contact with our sales? Can you show all the information on the screen? So if there's clients want to contact with us, they can find a way to talk with us. Hi friends, can you tell me right now what kind of projects or what kind of industry you're doing right now? So do you need any help from our company? Because our company can also provide you the earthing solution, a lightning protection solution, and also can help you to do the pre-qualifications, and can also to guide you how to install all the goods. Our company already had over 20 years experience. So if you'd like to cooperate with us, you don't have to worry anything at all, because we have everything you need. We have engineers, we have the very powerful production team, we have very strong certifications, we have all the high intelligence office lady and office man to help you to get through all the difficulties. Hi friends, if you don't have any questions, I'm about to leave the live stream after several minutes. Do you still have any questions to our lightning warning system right now? And I have something to say right now. If you think this machine is too big, is too much for your project, if you think your clients much of this other industry, rather than the oil depot, rather than the airlines, or rather than some big project industries, we can also tell you another product we're gonna have next month. We're gonna launch next month or the month after next month. Yeah, next month or August, we will launch a new product, which is another version of the lightning warning system. It's much smaller than this one. It's like an elf. It's like a very gorgeous elf. It's smaller, like this small. Yeah, then we can tell you about that product later if we have this product launched. So that kind of product will have more affordable price and will be much smaller to be shipped. So if you'd like to know more, you can just contact with our sales. They will tell you how to just get to know more about that machine. This is like our 2.0 version. Next month or the month after next month, we will have the 3.0 version. We have the third version. Okay, I don't know if those two machines can solve your problem enough. Hi, my friends, have you already noticed the email at below? Have you already noticed the email? It's info8 slup.com. Have you already noticed this? You can send your needs and send your inquiries or send anything you want to say into this email, and our sales or our engineer will contact you and answer your questions. If you think this live stream is not enough to solve all your problems and solve all your questions, you can let us to arrange another meeting or another webinar to talk with you. Oh, I'm gonna leave the live stream, okay? So see you next time. See you. Please just, oh, one more. Please just subscribe our YouTube. So we will just tell you what's the next theme of our live stream. So if you have more needs, you can also comment, leave your comments. We can just arrange another live stream or webinar for you, especially for you, okay? So see you, goodbye.